Hello. Today I will be talking about transformations, and I will be talking about translations, reflections, dilations, and rotations. We'll first start off with translations, and we first have our original points are 2, 2, 4, 4, 3, 4, -1, and 2, -3. We will be moving 3 left and 2 down. As you see, our first point we go from I, we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and your new point is I prime. It is prime because you have moved from your original image. And your next point where you will move is A. So you move it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, that's A prime. And your next point will be J. And you will move it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And your last point you will move will be T, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And from there on, we kept moving down from our original in our prime image. So we move 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and J prime 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and our last T prime 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and from there on we moved once again to make our third image 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and lastly T double prime to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 to T triple prime. Our next transformation will be reflection. And with reflection, you have to actually have a line of reflection going down the middle for you to actually reflect your line. So again, we're starting off at IAJT, and our first line of reflection is right here. So you would count the number of times your point is from your line of reflection, and then you count from there. So J is 1, so you go 1 over the line of reflection, and that goes for the same for the other points, which causes it to be prime. So T is 1, 2, 3, so you go 1, 2, 3, T prime. And I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And T in A would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our next line of reflection occurs down here. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. So you go over 3. 1, 2, 3 to I double prime. And A double prime 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And T double prime would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And J double prime 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And our last prime would be A, the triple prime. 1, 2. So you go 1, 2. T triple prime 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold up, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. J triple prime 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I triple prime 1, 2, 3. Excuse me for my error. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are all my new points. Our next thing we have is dilation, and you either reduce or enlarge. And to do that, you need to have your original points, and you have to have a scale factor. Our first scale factor was by 1/2. shown, which work is shown on this paper. So since it's 1/2, we reduced it, etc., to these points right here. And our next scale factor was 3, so those came up to the new points as this big shape right here. And our next scale factor was 2.5, which enlarged it as well to I triple prime, A triple prime, T triple prime, and J triple prime. Our last transformation is rotation, and with rotation, you slide the paper from your original points. So our original points were the 2, 2, the 4, 3, the 4, -1, and the 2, -3. So with rotation, you take the paper and you do every single rotation. So this would be 90 degrees, 180, 270, and that's it for this video.